Add or subtract, write the answer in lowest terms. Here we have the addition of two rational expressions, negative 4 over y plus 2 plus 6 over 5y plus 10. Now, in order to add two rational expressions, they need to have a common denominator. We don't have that at this point, so let's try to determine a lowest common denominator. We're going to start by factoring our second denominator. So this addition problem becomes a negative 4 over y plus 2 plus 6 over, let's pull out our common denominator of 5, or our common factor of 5, and write this as 5 times y plus 2. Now as we inspect these denominators, our lowest common denominator is going to include every factor that we see, along with the greatest number of times it appears in either denominator. So our LCD is 5 times the quantity y plus 2. Our second fraction has that denominator, but we are going to have to fix our first fraction so that it has the lowest common denominator. So let's take negative 4 over y plus 2 and multiply both the numerator and denominator by this missing factor of 5. So times 5 in the numerator and times 5 in the denominator, thereby multiplying by a factor of 1. That doesn't change the value, but it is going to change the way it looks. Let's leave our second fraction alone. That is 6 over 5 times the quantity y plus 2. At this point, both of those denominators are the same, so I'm going to write that just one time. 5 times y plus 2. The numerators are negative 20 and plus 6. So negative 20 plus 6 in the top, which simplifies to a negative 14 over 5 times y plus 2 in parentheses. A quick check shows that there are no common factors to cancel out, so this is in lowest terms. The answer is negative 14 over 5 times in parentheses y plus 2.